Designed for effortless indoor and outdoor entertaining, this generous family home has been reimagined with thought, quality and detail. Designer touches at every turn enhance the home's ease of day-to-day living and then endless possibilities for opulent entertaining. I'm Alexander Payne. Come with me as we take a look through 16 Penda Court, Doonan.
Baby, when we touch, I get a little lighter. Could it be this wine, or is she on my mind? Darling, we are home, I get a little brighter. We sit talking